I do not know if I'm re-videoing or if I'm starting where I was at, but here we go. This is supposed to be a continued on video of our study guide. And what I'm doing is I'm going to start with the back of the page. It's kind of supposed to be a video part 2, but we'll see what happens. On the back of their study guide, we've got area of a trapezoid. Okay, and we kind of already started this one, but here we go. The formula is area equals, we got height, base 1 plus base 2, and divided by 2. Okay, now, to kind of help you figure out what this formula means with these shapes. Okay, I always do my bases first, because the bases are going to run like railroad tracks. This and this are bases, because they run like a railroad track. They're going to be parallel lines that run like railroad tracks. Even on this one, even though it's up and downish, it is still running like railroad tracks. Okay. No. Now, the next thing I need is a height. The heights are going to be just like the heights and the parallelogram things and stuff. It is usually a dotted line, and it's usually at a 90-degree angle. You can kind of tell. Usually they're looking like it. Even this one. So look at this. These are at a 90-degree angle. Which one of these is at a 90-degree angle? The 15. Yeah, like this is the height because it is the distance between the two parallel lines, and it is at a right angle.
I've seen a question one time, and it's like, what is the height at the shortest amount in the shape? Like, and I didn't get it. Is that where you go to like the smallest part of the shape and see how tall it is or something?
I am not sure. That one's kind
like
of
if you see a shape, like go to the start to the end.
Like, no, it's a height of a trapezoid needs to have a right angle.
I'm talking about like on the very right side of it, and it's like how tall is that line?
Oh.
If the other height of 20
Okay, I'll be honest. That is a skill we're going to be doing in 2 weeks.
And that was hard.
Yeah, 2 weeks from now. Okay, rest up, spring break. Okay, here we go. Number 11. So this 8 right here is a tricker. Now, with trapezoids, we need to first write the formula. Okay, first you write the formula. Now, the second thing is, we need to fill it in. Our height was 7. Our bases are 10 plus 6 or 6 plus 10. It doesn't matter the order. You can do it either way. Okay, now, the next step is the 10 plus 6, which is 16. Okay, next step, take 16 and multiply by 7, which is, I got 111. Okay, and then 112, I'm sorry, 1 is what I meant. 112 divided by 2, and then the last is divided by 2 is 56. I look back up there, centimeters squared. So the area is of that trapezoid 56 centimeters squared.
So you got 50.
Okay. Now,
why do you say squares?
Because it's area. I've said it 10 million times. I love you people, but listen, area is like the white towel on the floor. It has a little 2 because it is a 2-dimensional shape. It has 2 walls. Like, it's not a straight line. It is a square of area. It's a shape. Okay, let's try number 12. Here we go. Number 12. You write the formula. Area equals height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. I need y'all to be doing this with me. Like, I didn't know you weren't doing it. Okay, here we go. So, filling in the problem. The height is 14. The bases are 9 plus 37.2. Okay. Using my calculator. 9 plus 37.2 is 46.2. Now I'm going to multiply it times 14. I got 646.8 divided by 2.
323.4.
Yes.
How did you know that?
323.4. Well, these are all digits of 2's, guys. 2 will go to 6, 3. 2 will go into 4, 2.
It's because I already did them.
And then I need meters squared. Some kids started at lunch, so it's okay. Okay. Trapezoids feeling any better? Try 13.
They were easy for me.
Try 13, and then I will compare mine to yours. I'll show you that one. Give me just a second. Please be doing 13. We should all be working on this, unless you finished front and back. Okay. So, on number 13, I got 217.5 inches squared. Yes. Yes. I got to take a point off if you don't put measurements or squared signs. Please let them focus. Now, I've had a question about number 15, and it is a good question, meaning wowzers, there's a bunch of numbers. Okay, let's look at 15. Well, what two numbers do you think are the bases? Because that's going to be the thing. Yeah, even though they're almost crookedy, though, those are the two bases. Now, what is the height? 3. So what are all those other weird numbers?
Tricker numbers.
Trickers. They're just lengths of sides. Please stop. 8th period. Okay. Let's work number 15. Let's see if we can get it. I'm going to kind of put it on the side here to leave some space. Here we go. Guys, if you are not done with this, you need to be still working, because basically I am working through some more of them in hopes that by tomorrow for the quiz you will ace it. Here we go.
Please.
if you are watching this video and you are, you know, you can always pause it, finish the problem, and then compare it to my answer. It's kind of like having a teacher pre-test you or something. I don't know. So, number 15.
I got 18.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I got it right.
Okay, listen. If I was you, go back up and try like 9 and 10, the two triangle ones at the top. Let's make sure we can get those. And then I'll work them in just a second, and we'll compare answers.
We did only one base, right? For the triangles.
Right. 15's up there. 18.
Is
I got 54.
the base?
Okay, so basically I've had it paused while they worked on some problems. Okay, this is the study guide. So number 10, up in the corner where there's a triangle, I ended up getting 18 yards squared. Base times height divided by 2. I know I'm jumping around a little, but this way y'all can see them all. Okay, if I go to, oh, it's number 9. Let me show you number 9 now. It's going to be kind of weird. I'm going to slide it over. Okay. Number 9. Please don't talk. On number 9, I got base times height divided by 2, and I got 2.07 kilometers squared. Okay. I'm going to go down now and show you number 14, because I haven't shown that one. Number 14. It is a trapezoid. Base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. I ended up with the final answer of 125 millimeters squared. It's funny how I'm going over these, and there's about 15 of you left in here. Half of you won't have your paper out. I really hope you have this tomorrow. It's homework. Okay, what I'm going to do now is flip it over and finish any on the front that I haven't done, and then I'll show you the answers in a minute. Okay, so now, to kind of show the top of the study guide, completed, we should know area of a parallelogram, A, B, C. Okay, going down, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Okay, I'm just trying to let everybody see it. 4 and 5, area of a parallelogram, base times height. Okay, going on to 6, 7, and 8. Some of these I just worked on just a second ago. We've got base times height divided by 2. There's number 7. Number 8 is 52.5 feet squared. Don't forget about area of a rectangle, base times height. Okay. And on the back, I'm just going to kind of be nice and just kind of show it to you in chunks. 9 and 10. And then 11, 12, and 13. Oh, it's okay. And then I'll show 14 and 15. Okay, in case anybody has any questions. You can try to do reminds, but we're getting ready to have a faculty meeting, so I don't know if I'll be there to answer them, but I will do my best. If not, I will be in here at 7 o'clock, unless we have a broken leg at the Donahue house or a car breaks down. See you at 7 if you need me. Bye.